Okay, today I'm going to prepare something vegan. So I think it's super simple, so let's get started. I'm going to start from the sauce. So 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then put it back. 2 tablespoons of molasses. Oh, what's the name? Molasses. 2 tablespoons of molasses. Whoa! Oh, that was fast. And 2, where is it? 2 cloves of garlic. I think I need more. Problems. 2 of them. Oh my god. Oh. So one is here. Just one to go. Oh, it's here. This is the most frustrating part. And the last one. Oh, very intense flavor. Well, I'm doing this for the first time, like most of my recipes, so no idea what the end result will be. But I'm recording too. Just maybe repeat it. I'm not sure. We see. Oh. And 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Oh, this smell is like, oh wow. It could be too much for some people. Oh, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Oh, that was one. Stirring. Oh, actually, I need a paper towel. Let's use that. You just grab. Okay, and now I'm going to maybe preheat the oven and decide what steps here. Now I'm going to start with peeling off. Yeah, the idea here is just to place in slices. Start with tofu, apples, and onion. I'm just debating what to do because I think this one is good. Because if I have more than 3 ingredients, I'm lost. Really, I am. I mean, maybe I'm not lost, but it's a little bit struggle for me. I think I prefer simplicity, and most recipes have more ingredients than 3, so I'm super hungry right now. Okay, I'm going to eat that one. Wow. I think this recipe calls for some precision, so I'm a little afraid that it's not a recipe for me because right now I need to slice the apple, and the preference is that I need maybe not thin, but like even slices. Oh, see that? So I'm not fully sure how to achieve that goal. Maybe like that. Oh, dancing queen. Oh yeah. Be careful here because most accidents happen in the kitchen. So now a little bit stressed here because I'm almost done with this apple. No, I'm not. It's still some room for slices. And yeah, I think now I'm done. And as for this one, because I have the same shade, that's why I'm not using this side of the apple. I'm going to use it. What will go with it, right? I'm going to place it on here. Maybe on this way. Like, I know they're not even, but this is my first time. Maybe next time I'm going to be better with cutting skills. Oh, I do it like that because I want to firm standing on my chopping board. Whoa, what's this? I was thinking maybe should I use that one too? We'll see because I'm not sure. Not sure about the amount of tofu and onion. Wow, that's super delicious. Sorry for eating. Doing recording, but I can't stop myself. Can't have myself with this. Wow, super. Maybe the next one will be with onion. And again, this is what's this? No, I think it's not good to eat it because I see some dark parts here. I need to wrap onion in one. It turned out that I have a backup here. I forget about it, but I think I'm ready. So again, I'm trying to place the onion on the chopping board. I want to make myself secure here. That's why a lot of probably unnecessary steps. Okay. So the idea is to use slices and just realize how to do it. So can I do it like that? Is it okay? Okay. Looks good to me. Probably it's a better way to do it, but that's my way. If you have a better idea, let me know in the comment. I'm super curious how would you approach cutting the onion in slices for this dish because I think that this matters what type of cutting you're using. So I'm like, this one is like, this is super, you can concentrate here. Super dangerous right now. I feel like this one is, I know it's too thick, but I'm not brave enough to try to cut it horizontally, right? So this is the result. The ratio is like, I think I had more apples here than onions. And I also need to cut tofu. I'm not a big fan of tofu, probably because I don't know how to prepare tofu. That's why I'm skeptic. Don't change the form. Since this is my first time and I'm counting calories, I'm going to keep for today the package. Okay, I think I'm ready. Oh, now it's time to, which way? Maybe this way. To cut tofu. I just need to find out how it tastes. Wow, that's good. That's really good. Even without baking. This one's like, wow, really good. My inner voice tells me that maybe stop cooking right now and just eat it like raw. You know? Okay, I'm not going to curse here. Okay. I think that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for bread wrap, and it's somewhere here. Oh, it's there. What I'm doing right now is I'm trying to make this baking form. How to say it? Forget that. Forget the adjectives. The idea was to. I really forgot my lingo, yeah, this is it. Then the idea was to make this not sticky, That's so strange. Probably I should use a different shape for apples. This is so strange. Oh no, tofu. Maybe 2 of them. Is like that. Oh, here. Wait, after onion I should place tofu, right? After tofu, apples, and then onion, and then apple, slice, and then onion, and then tofu, right? No, here again. No, tofu should be here. Should have been here. So confusing. What's this? Whoa, that was not. After tofu is apple, right? So here I need to make it like that. Let me place it like this. Apple, onion. Oh, what was that? Maybe this way. Apple, onion, and tofu. And apple again. And that's it. Whoa, that's it. Okay, so that's for today. Just around, I'm going to place some onions like that. I think I need more onions here. Maybe not, not sure. Whoa, whoa! Oh, fuck! Oh man, what a disaster. Ah. I'm fighting with the camera right now. My lens goes down. Okay. Okay, oh, that was scary. And I need onion. I need to come back for the onion. I feel like the quality is like worse than before. Okay, I'm back with onion. So the same drill. Removing the bottom of the onion. Oh, I just realized that the edit I was looking for was non-sticky. Non-sticky. Okay. So this one is, I don't know what to do with this. It's more like, so strange. Let me place it here. What's this? Oh man. So after onion, I'm placing tofu, right? Tofu. Oh, like this. So this is the last round of tofu, and the last round of apple, I guess. Maybe I place it like this. For some symmetry, Look at this. This is perfect symmetry. Okay, and this one I'm going to eat. The idea is to start with the sauce. Whoa, that's like a heavy one. I think I need 1 more tablespoon of olive oil. So the sauce is on top. Now it's time for some garnish. So this one is like pepper, freshly ground. And on top of that, I'm going to add some marjoram. This is the name. I hate the pronunciation of it. Some kind of spice. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Whoa. Okay, so like this. This is like strange, Standing out. I think that's okay. It looks good to me as a first timer. Okay. So now it's time to place these forms into. Oh, not this one. Give me the right one. This one. Into the oven. Oh wow, that's heavy. Oh, this form is heavy. And another one. Here, like that. And timer, let's go with 20 minutes. 20 minutes. And meanwhile, what I'm going to do is to do something, I guess. Maybe not. Oh, no! I forgot about something. Come back. Timer. One more time. The idea was to... Probably it's hot. The idea was to cover... Is it hot? No, it's not. The idea was to cover baking dish. So maybe this. I mean, if you have a baking dish, which we have glass baking dish with glass cover, the better. Because you don't have to do it like that. But if you don't have one, you need to be creative and maybe design this. So, ow. I mean, this one is tricky because I use the heavy duty stuff, So it's like fighting the material, Okay, so this one goes inside. Oh, that's heavy. It's heavy because it has cover. Oh, whoa. And again, 20 minutes. Okay, I'm going to do something else and come back here. Okay, I'm going to do what I said. Okay, so I'm back. Just feel like, it's not very sharp. I need to come back again. I feel like it's not very sharp. Okay, I'm back. I cleaned the lens. And now it's time to prepare some salad. And so, yeah. I just realized I don't have the same. Oh man, it's fighting all the time with circumstances. Well, my preferred one is this one. I'm going to use it. And what I'm going to do is to use this bell pepper. I made a bowl for mixing. Bowl. Sorry about that. Okay, what I'm doing here is probably the wrong way again. sharpen the knife, that's for sure. Now it's obvious to do it. I think I'm gonna use some onion here. Maybe not. Maybe onion is not suitable for this salad. Yeah, I'm gonna use this onion for tomorrow, like scrambled eggs or something. But let me just do it like that. Now it's time to add some green olives. Oh, I don't have maple syrup. I just realized that. But I have some yellow mustard. Use. Oh. Okay, 1 tablespoon, I guess. Maybe I don't want mustard. No, I think it's like too much. I'm going to use only olive oil here, so 1 tablespoon. And I'm going to add some lettuce leaves. So this is like outer layer. Out. What's this? This one. Okay. Oh, this is kind of plant juices or something. I don't know. Just realized I also have some kimchi, so I'm going to add it here to the meat because why not? It's a probiotic, so probiotic. A bigger one. I have a lot of problems with American pronunciation. Generally, it's not my first language, it's not my second, so maybe that's why I'm struggling. This one. I feel like I made a mistake and like three pieces, but I had some time, right? 8 minutes. So I need to remove and do it like that. Right. Or I can just, the butter, the fire. But I had some time, so I decided to put my anxiety into work. Yeah, I think I'm done with red pepper, bell pepper. Yeah, the last one is here. And the most important part is to transfer these pieces into the salad. Oh, I see some pieces here. The last 3 bits. And this one maybe. Oh, this one goes here. So a little bit of stirring. Just let me taste it. Quite good, I think. So now what I'm going to do is to maybe in a different bowl. I'm not sure. Maybe like that. Yeah, that's the way to go. So I place my salad like that here. Just feel like all green olives are here, so that's why I'm moving them over there. So the salad's ready, and now I'm waiting for the rest. This one is ready. Whoa, look at this beautiful summer salad. It's like that. 5 minutes. And what I'm going to do is to maybe add some crunchy parts. And the crunch, I mean bagels from a toaster. So this one goes maybe 1 for 2. Because way more. I need a new desk. Sorry, what's happening here? Like, ugh. So I'm going to use the toaster like that, and then you just put here. Oh, I just realized I forgot about this. Oh man, I wanted to add the garnish on top of maybe this stuff. On top of tofu and apples and onions. So it's more like a decoration rather than flavor enhancer. So the garnish is ready. I'm still waiting for tofu to be ready. Oh, I'm waiting for bagels, right? Well, I'm really scared of kitchen accidents. That's why I use a lot of methods to prevent it. That's why I'm using the wet towels under the chopping board to make sure that I did everything to prevent it, to prevent any injuries. I think this one will be super hot. That's why I'm taking these 2 gloves. Placing it in my pockets. So this one goes here, and oh, that's pretty hot. I use that. I think the better one for this would be to use scissors instead of knife, like that, to make smaller pieces. And just place it. Well, place it here. Oh, this one. This one is faster. Look at this. It's ready. It's not faster. Maybe the same, but something's happening, that's the idea. Oh, stay here. You can also use, I just realized I have some, no, I don't, I have some lemon juice, so you can just pour a tablespoon of lemon juice here over the parsley. Oh, I think it's almost ready, so 3, 2, 1, oh, just put it on my glass. Off. This is like super hot, I'm sure it's hot. Oh, and heavy. I just want to go here. Whoa, look at this, just a little bit of smoke. Afraid to open. Wow, just dancing from the heat. What it is right now is, where is up here? That one. And this is like super, I always have problems with transferring foods from one place to another. So I'm going to add that one here, and just do like that. Wow, this is like super, looks good. Whoa, looks good, but I don't know how to transfer. I think I need 2 hands to do that. But I don't have help right now, so let's do it my way. This one is for pasta, by the way. So I'm going to add here like 2 rows. Oh, this one is like good. Place it here. It looks like onion soup. Vegan onion soup. And there's a lot of cheese in onion soup, so, but it looks like this, right? This one doesn't contain cheese. Dancing. Dance. Okay, this portion is like bigger, so maybe I add some of this here. Oh my god, look at this. I'm trying to make it pretty, but it is what it is. So this is the last one. Oh, and of course, some garnish. Add some garnish over the top. So this one. Oh, it's a lot of garnish. Oh my god. Oh, what's this? Okay, so the dish is ready. And this is the result. This is the salad again. This is the salad. And this is the final result of 2 portions.